bakla?
Yes, sir. Sir. What kind of fruit, sir? What do you like? Ito. Would you like some coffee, sir?
No thanks. This, sir.
Madam.
Sabaw! Sabaw! Sino manager mo? Ayun ba yung manager niyo? Ay, tawahin ka.
Ma'am? She's busy right now.
Wala lang naman sa akin kakape ako.
I would like to talk about this outside. You want to do this right side?
Isa ako call ko.
Ang bahala dyan.
Ang bagay,